We got a cameraman today. He might not be the best, but he's doing it. We got somebody. You can stay out here. Yeah, the ground's a little soft. Still buff. Still buff. Keep that over there. Cameraman doing good. Okay, we need number 7, number 9, 32, and 35. Might be able to let some of them out. Alright, we're back. We're going 0.5 so y'all can see everything. Gonna need this one and this one. Those other two we let back out. Hopefully they'll go. Maybe somebody will go. There we go. Here, watch out, watch out.
Let me shut this.
Ah, there you go. Now you can video me. Still in 0.5. We got our loot. We got needle. We got to do 5 cc's per cow. 5 cc's per cow, no air bubbles. Got this one. IM. Intermuscular, she's done. She's done. Stings a little. Now, we got that shut. She's good. She's done. And we're doing this without a head sheet. Sadly. This one would go, it'd be good. But she's one of the ones. Yeah, okay, maybe not. She don't want to. Come on. Come on. Alright, we got this one. We didn't video it because she acts a little wild. We're gonna turn her out. There she goes. And we're out of medicine. So this video to be continued. because we still got one more, possibly two. I don't know about two. We at least have, well, one, possibly two cows. Then we have two calf, Daisy and Fancy. So to be continued. Alright, we got another shot, another cow. She's a little fancy too, don't like to be in here. I'm gonna rub on her a little. Grab her skin right here. Yeah, she don't like it. It'll be okay though. Oh yeah, that got her. Alright, we got this one. We're a little redneck with it today. But she ought to be fine. She can't go nowhere much. Get her right in here. She's got a little fluffy hair. Oh. That's done. That's a good thing about halter broke calves. Right there. Alright. Alright, cameraman cut the camera off a little soon. He's good though. First day on the job. We still gotta get Daisy, but I don't think we're gonna do that in this video. But don't forget to like and subscribe and share to all the other people. And see ya.